funded and focused feature. In the pathway for entrepreneurial funding, the 90-day cycle of compliance can be made more bearable with AI. So let's unpack what AI does for your compliance foundation of your funding plan for your business. So let's pick on one AI tool. For example, Claude.ai becomes your compliance research assistant and document drafter. So here is, if you can imagine, a practical workflow. So you describe your business structure and current situation to Claude.ai. Claude.ai then helps you identify every gap, missing filings, wrong structure, missing documents. Guess what? The AI tool also drafts the letter, the resolutions, and the correspondence you need. It can also build you a compliance calendar with deadlines specific to your entity type and the jurisdiction where your business is registered. AI can help you prepare the compliance document package that you will attach to every proposal, every grant application, and loan request going forward. And that package typically includes your certificate of incorporation, your TCC, your last 2 years of financials, your business bank statement, your GCT registration, if applicable, and your business registration certificate. When you can produce that package cleanly and quickly, you have crossed the threshold from hustle to operation. So what do you do this week? The first step is an honest audit. Before you can fix anything, you need to know exactly where you stand. Use Claude.ai to walk through this with you. Describe your current setup, ask it to generate a compliance checklist specific to your business type and the types of contracts and funding you are targeting. That checklist becomes your roadmap.